Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, doing well. So viewers, I am back again with a very stunning classic collection of different types of blouse and top design for summer wear. So this is a very useful collection for you guys, so just watch video till the end. Very beautiful design of blouse you will see in this video for summer wear, within different color, different style and different design. I hope viewers you can get many ideas. All these blouse are designing is totally different from one another. Very stylish and stunning cotton top and blouse ideas you can see in this video. Viewers, please don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was the video, how are the designs and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, and which type of videos are more useful for you. Please viewers, do support me by sharing my videos with your friends, with your relatives, and keep visiting on my channel for more collection, more ideas. If you are new on my channel viewers, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my notifications. So please viewers, if you are loving this design, so don't forget to like my video and share it with your family and with your relatives. So dear viewers, goodbye till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of design and ideas for you in the next video.